Good morning, everyone. My name is Yeshua Kumar. I am studying in junior 10th at KB school. Now I am explaining about structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast. Chloroplast presents only in the plant cell. Chloroplast have green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is needs for trapping light energy to make their food by themselves. Chloroplast covered by three membranes. Inner membrane forms stalk-like structure called grana. The fluid portion in chloroplast called stroma. Grana is the site for the trapping light energy. Stroma is the site for the enzymic reactions. Photosynthesis phase 1 light reaction occurs in grana for chloroplast. Photosynthesis phase 2 dark reaction occur in stroma of chloroplast. Thank you everyone.